Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest board. So go for your Pinterest account. After that go for your profile icon here and go for create pin, and now just click on this drop down option. Now you can see here create board option here. So click on it and type your board name here. So if I type here, okay, initial solution. Okay. So okay, now if you want to keep this board secret, then just check it, or otherwise just skip and go for create. Now after that you can add your title here and describe whatever you want and add a link here. So you have to add a picture for this, so I'll choose this one. Okay, then go for just save. Okay, just wait for a second. So okay, now skip it, and if you go for your oh, it's here. So this is your board here, Pinterest board. So this is how you can create Pinterest board. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.